Hello guys, I am Gaurangi Kapse from Real Academy branch Karjan from standard 8. So guys, I have made something interesting, new and unique this time. So I have made this vacuum cleaner. So let me tell you which ingredients I have used and how it works. So the ingredients I have used are one plastic bottle, the batteries, connectors, motors and etc. things. So let me tell you how it works. But before that, let me tell you why are these holes are here? Can you guess? No? So let me tell you. So I have fitted one fan in this. When the fan will rotate rapidly, the air will come out from these holes and in front side the vacuum will create. When the vacuum will create, the particles will soak like this. So let me tell you how it works. So in this way it works and we can open the cap of the bottle and throw in this dustbin. Okay guys, so I have made, actually I use this in my home also. Normally a small vacuum cleaners come in cost of 4 to 5,000, but I have made this only 100 to 150 rupees. So these are some benefits of this. Clean the gaps between windows frames, to clean keyboard, to freshen up pillows and small carpets, to clean dust between fur, and it is very low cost. So I actually use this in my home. In this way, I conclude my explanation. Thank you.